Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you that how you can fix GTA 5 script hook weak critical error that you face when you try to learn GTA 5. But don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. So without any further ado, let's fix this problem. As you guys may know that GTA 5 is updated from version 3442 to 3504, and because of this update you face this script hook weak critical error. But by the end of this video, you will be able to play GTA 5 again without any error. So make sure not to miss any part of this video, otherwise you will face the consequences. There are two ways to fix this problem, without mod and with mod. No matter where you got the game from, Rockstar, Epic Game or Steam, this fix is for everyone. Important notice: Rockstar user cannot play with mod until they updated script hook weak. But Steam and Epic user, I got you covered in fix 1 without flying modes. Open your GTA 5 main folder and cut d-input add.dll file and paste into a new destination. Now launch the game. This solved our problem, but this method only works for playing game without mod. Now it's time for fix 2 to play game with mods. Since the version 3504 breaks script hook now we need to downgrade back to version 3442 because it works best with mods. First, disable auto update of GTA 5 both in Steam and Epic Game. Next, download the downgrade file link in the description. Here you will get files both for Steam and Epic Game. Simply extract the file. Now open your GTA 5 folder as well. Now for Epic user, keep the backup of these files. Now copy back the d-input add.dll file from the destination where you pasted it. Next, open the downgrade folder and copy all the file to the main GTA folder and paste it. And same is the method for Steam user, but with one extra file. First, keep the backup of these files and then copy these files from the downgrade folder to main GTA 5 folder and paste it. Now open the game, all your problem will be solved. Now make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video.